Hi, my name's XTeen. I challenged myself to cook something different every day for 30 days. Today is day 29, and I am f***ing exhausted. But last night, as I was editing yesterday's video sitting on the couch, there's a free channel on my TV that just plays random America's Test Kitchen videos on a loop. It's just a channel that came with the TV. I don't know. The ladies over at America's Test Kitchen were making thick cut oven fries.
So, you ready for fries?
Am I ready for fries?
Tastes like fries, right?
And I was like, because they looked really good. That's what I'm gonna make today. I'm starting by slicing the potatoes. The ladies said to use Yukon Gold because they have a thin skin, which means we don't have to peel them. Trim a little skin off of each side and slice these into thick wedges. That means we should, in theory, have two nice flat sides for these to brown and crisp up evenly. Once all the potatoes have been wedgified, we're going to make a syrupy goo that we're going to cover them in, which should give them a crispy coating when baked. So we're mixing 3 tablespoons of cornstarch with 3/4 cup of water. Give this a quick whisk to get the clumps out. And then pop it in the microwave for a couple of minutes, 20 seconds at a time, giving it a stir in between. And then it should transform into a thick goo that will fog up your camera. It's so hot. And there's no denying it. The goo is questionable looking. But we're going to dump our potatoes in there and start coating them with our hands, even though nobody feels good about it.
So, Lana, I gotta tell you, this looks really weird.
Feels really weird too. And I got some weird looks in the kitchen when I was doing this.
Let's move past it.
These look great. They look right.
I'm trusting you at this point.
Now they say to spray a layer of cooking spray on the baking sheet first, and then 3 tablespoons of olive oil. This is supposed to be a hack to use less oil, I guess. Lift up the tray and move it around so the oil coats the entire surface. And now we're going to lay our fries down on the pan, making sure to give them enough personal space to reach their full potential and brown up nicely, we hope. I've got 2 trays of fries going in the oven. I preheated the oven to 425 degrees, and we're going to cover both trays with aluminum foil. It's supposed to be greased, but I didn't do that because I ran out of cooking spray after coating the trays. These are gonna bake for 10 to 18 minutes, and then we're gonna take them out, remove the foil, flip them over, and bake for another 10 to 18 minutes. How about that goop, huh? Pretty wacky stuff. So it's been 15 minutes, and these are not looking as brown on the bottom side as they should, so I decided to put them back in the oven with the foil on for another 10-ish minutes. And now, they still don't look right. Look at this gradient. That's not what we were aiming for. This is really not going well. I gotta be honest, I thought this was gonna be kind of a breeze. I was expecting these to come out good. I was like, I can watch a video and follow a recipe. Yeah, I'm a little disappointed. So. And then I baked the other side uncovered for another 18 minutes. Oh. Oh. Okay, we got one good one. Oh. And now it's time to play Fry Flip Roulette! Which fries will be overdone and which will have no crispy skin at all? Every fry is a chance to win! And now the second tray is ready to flip. Not much better. Anyway, we're going to blot the excess grease off of these with a paper towel. And salt generously.
One of the things that makes French fries taste like fries is that salt.
Okay, actually they do have a nice sound, just like the lady in the video said they would.
Boy, those fries really make a sound on that baking sheet.
Here's the second tray of fries. When you order it online versus when it arrives. Let me try a less crispy one. You know what? And I'm not just saying this to make myself feel better. They do taste pretty good.
It tastes like a fry.
They're ugly, but they're pretty tasty. Like,
See that nice creamy interior. I mean, look at this.